From 5 News, I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore, and here's the 5 things you need to know for this upcoming week's forecast. Taking a look, active pattern continues across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Spotty showers will be possible for today. Our next larger front comes in Thursday into Friday, which will bring a larger storm chance. We're going to have some fog to start off tomorrow morning. Had some fog this morning as well. We're also going to be talking about some wildfire smoke from Canada making its way towards northwest Arkansas and the River Valley late Tuesday night heading into Wednesday morning. For folks that are sensitive to the smoke, we could have that arriving into 5 country very shortly. That next front comes in Thursday, again bringing more rain chances back into the forecast. We'll continue that active pattern through the weekend, but I tell you what, temperatures are really about to start to warm up back up into those high 80s, close to 90 degrees by the time we get to the weekend. All right, let's take a look at Futurecast for the rest of the day today, heading into Wednesday morning as well. Spotty showers will be possible into the afternoon and early evening hours. Again, that low pressure system is moving off towards the east, so it's really going to be stray showers that we're expecting throughout the rest of this evening. By the time we get to Wednesday, maybe a few stray showers still lingering. Overall, though, we're going to really start to dry out, at least for one day, and see temperatures warm up back into those low 80s for our Wednesday. So taking a look at the risk for today, again, no severe weather is expected, just a few stray showers here and there. Greater chances are going to be across northwest Arkansas than in the River Valley. In the further southwest you are, lower rain chances are going to be possible. Again, as that low pressure system moves off towards the east, rain chances become lower and lower throughout the day today. So we'll just be looking out for a few stray showers here and there. Heading into tomorrow morning, again, fog will be possible, but temperatures starting off into those mid to upper 50s across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. And we're going to expect at least a little bit more sunshine heading into our Wednesday. Here's a look at that fog potential heading into tomorrow morning. Northwest Arkansas definitely has the better chances of seeing some lower visibility heading into tomorrow morning's commute. Right now, our models are showing that we could be less than a mile of visibility, so it could impact that morning commute. Maybe need to take it a little bit slower. Across the River Valley, a little bit more visible out there tomorrow morning, anywhere between 5 to 10 miles an hour of visibility is expected right now. And again, sunshine will burn off that fog throughout the day tomorrow. So taking a look heading into Wednesday, again, one day where we get a little bit more sunshine and significantly warmer temperatures. Temperatures are expected to reach up into those mid to upper 80s. Heading into tomorrow, it will be humid out there. Dew point values will be into those low to mid 60s, so it could be a little bit uncomfortable, but overall, at least one nice day with some sunshine and very low chances of a spotty shower should be nice to get halfway through the work week. Again, by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, those rain chances come right back into the forecast. Now, I mentioned those wildfires that are going on in Canada right now. So by the time we get to this evening, because the winds are blowing in from the northwest, we're actually going to be seeing the potential of seeing some of that smoke arriving to northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Again, this is just what our models are suggesting, but you see in that dark green and blue, that's that smoke filtering into northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. So here's a look at 7 o'clock tonight. By the time we head to the overnight hours, that could be the worst time that we have that smoke over us. Heading into Wednesday morning, could have a little bit of a hazy sky if we have enough of that smoke over us. For folks who are sensitive to that wildfire smoke, sometimes we hear complaints about headaches and things like that. That's definitely in the potential for overnight tonight heading into Wednesday morning. By the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, models still suggesting that we could have some of that wildfire smoke still over us, but I think the worst of it is going to be during the overnight hours tonight into very early tomorrow morning. Again, active pattern continues throughout the rest of this work week. That next front comes in for Thursday and Friday, bringing back those rain chances and the chances for an isolated thunderstorm. The weekend rain chance doesn't look too bad. Sure, we could have a stray shower or two, but overall, that's when we're going to get significantly warmer. Temperatures climbing back up into those high 80s. We'll make a run at trying to reach 90 degrees. When you factor in the heat index, the humidity, it's definitely going to feel like we're in those low to mid 90s by the time we get to the weekend. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures going to be warming up heading into Wednesday. Daytime highs warm back up into those low 80s. Then we'll cool back down after that next front comes in on Thursday. We recover those temperatures very quickly heading into this weekend. Daytime highs recover back into those mid to upper 80s. Again, when you factor in the humidity, sunny, it's going to feel like we're in those low 90s. Across the river valley, again, stray showers will be possible heading into this evening. Really, though, Wednesday, we're expecting lots of sunshine, warmer temperatures. When we bring back those rain chances and isolated thunderstorms, that's going to be for Thursday and Friday. This weekend, again, high 80s, low 90s, definitely a potential. That'll be our first time we'll reach 90 so far this year. Lots of sunshine is expected, but be on the lookout for a stray shower or two. Overall, though, again, low rain chances for not only this evening, but Wednesday. Could see a stray shower in the morning. Overall, lots of sunshine. We'll be looking out for that next front coming in on Thursday and Friday for the potential of seeing an isolated thunderstorm or two, and the weekend looks gorgeous. Again, wildfire smoke is filtering in. We'll keep our eye on that. We don't know how much exactly is going to be filtering in, but definitely folks who are sensitive to it, be on the lookout for that as we head into the late evening, overnight, into Wednesday morning. All right, that's the 5 things you need to know about this week's forecast. We'll keep an eye on it here in the Weather Center.